Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man where they talk am as e be, they tell us wetin I see for Ekpoma. He say he think say now only our youth for Benin na know the work. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, my people, una good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location. Una for the connect with us this evening. We thank God for the wonderful things we in they do for our life, because now only one they put road for where road no day. Talk am as it be in the broadcast of truth. When it be say we dey talk am as it be. We know they add anything, we know they remove. We dey talk am as it be. Quickly this evening, I see run come town. Then my brother Victor instant this site. I could run come town, come check on another site where for they do POP work for us. In fact, they don't start painting. They don't start painting and maintenance. So after this broadcast, I will show now the painting work for the POP site or for the one of our sites. So after this broadcast, I will show around. Now the another house will they renovate. Now they are there now. So me, as I just come in, I say I come see the work when they do, and by the grace of God, after this broadcast, I will come back to live program again to take on around. We can see how far they don't go for the POP work and the painting. In fact, they don't start painting. So as they paint, they go, they do maintenance. When I go see them by the grace of God, and that's where they be. So quickly, so many matter for grant. We know say this evening, make we talk am as it just be. Make we talk am as it just be. Because truth not the key. Truth not the key. Now I want to start with the experience we will get for Ekpoma. We go start from there. From Ekpoma, I discover some people, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I give 3 boza to all my Asian person all over the world. I give them 3 boza. I beg, make me not jealous you because of waiting I want talk this evening. Because of waiting I want talk this evening. It really concerns my Asian people and other tribes and Nigeria in general. All Asian person in the house, give 3 boza to yourself. Boza. Now make I talk with my eyes see for Asian land, for Ekpoma precisely. I discover for Ekpoma land. I can't find where cow for the waka. I don't see that they carry cow waka. I use eye find. I don't see where they carry cow waka. Only for me to see where the cow dey. I could say na cow dey. I couldn't do my investigation. Only for me to see say bike that they carry grass, come they feed cow. Bike. In fact, they go they cut grass, come they give cow food for the area where they put the cow. Now say, why we not fit do? Why our people see they allow cow they move for Benin? This is what I see today. Yes, no cow they move go where? Nothing like grazing. What grazing? Where they graze they go? Cow they one place. So people they use bike. They will go cut grass from other area. They'll come they give cow. So I couldn't ask myself. Not be man when me just they look. I don't know say when they come to protecting themselves, they don't go far. I don't see cow shit from where? Nothing like open grazing for Ekpoma. Nothing like open grazing. Nothing like open grazing. Nothing like open grazing. Esa oh yeah. 3 boza for all my Asian people. Boza. You know say me they talk about they be. Now I come they carry my torchlight. Now I come they move around. Now say make I really see. You know say na work we go work. For that work as we they talk about they be. Now I come say how come cow don't they waka open grazing? Nothing like open grazing. Nothing like open grazing in Ekpoma. Nothing. Cow just dey one corner. People they cut grass, come they give am. So why be say we for this other side no fit stop open grazing? Why we for this other side we would say we plenty. Why we not fit stop open grazing? If the fit stop open grazing for Ekpoma, nothing stop other Benin people from stopping open grazing. That's the truth. That is the truth of the matter. And they talk and she dey be. So as I look this matter, this Ekpoma, nothing like cow no dey waka. Cow no dey waka. But for my area now, so cow dey waka up and down. They shit fall everywhere. They enter people farm. They scatter everywhere. My people, make we dey tell ourselves the truth. Then another thing that comes to observe, if we not take time, 2 years from now, we no go see non-ADG for Ekpoma. Now, Hausa people now go to see. 2 years from now, I'm gonna go mark which and they talk so. Half of Ekpoma has been taken over by the Fulanis, by the Hausas, all put together. Half. This is the truth of the matter. Half have been taken over by them. I wish it's not Bini the day, my people. Don't believe Bini. They don't take over Ekpoma. Now, I could ask you, where are our boys? What did happen? I choose to let Bini our boys on the walk. Our Bini boys even they try. So our small boys were Ekpoma, Asian people, my people. You just see 5 boys, they just there on that tree. What did they do? Hello, your BVM, send us your we are calling from the bank, so bank, register your BVM now. That's what did they do? On that street, they just for backyard. You can't, they just did there. So, and they just did there, they just hack people account for there. That's it, huh? Funny enough, their parents don't even care, they don't even care. They encourage them. So, all this one are the situation report and the things when I see, and I'm not there happy at all. I'm not there happy. Funny enough, the hotel will lodge. If we don't do anything now, parents, if we don't wake up now, government, religious leader, if we don't wake up now, if I will blame ourselves tired. The hotel will lodge for work. See small children. They're not even up to, so I'm not sure they will reach 18 years. No, 18 years, well, see 15, 16, see all of them, then they enter home. Our society has been bastardized. Just see them. Small boys. Police don't arrest them because they're village. They just dig corner. What do? They go, they hack people account. They do their Yahoo. They just dig grand. That's why they carry phone. Hello, we are calling for social bank. Send us this from Access Bank or for First Bank. Your BVN. Register your BVN. They just hack people account. So much children. Even when we find workers, we don't see workers. Now some people visit city work. Our guys know they work again. Our children agree work again. Our youth know they work again. Because of what? Quick money. Because of what? Quick money. Please, you people are disturbing me there. Because of quick money. Because of quick money. Our boys do the work again. I would just stand up in here until I share position. I say, oh God. Religious leaders, make we wake up. Traditional rulers, make we wake up. Their parents, I blame their parents. Right under the parents of their nose, right under their nose, their children, they do 419. They really support them. How people will not they get work, you don't do anything. All of a sudden, you don't buy Venza. You don't buy, you don't do anything. All of a sudden, you don't buy motor like so much children. If nothing is done, we'll have ourselves to blame. I don't want to blame government this evening. I want to blame the father and the mother of those children. And them. Now I want to blame. And them. Now I want to blame. So, at this stage, I say, make with the talk calm as it be. We know the paint and we talk about as it be. Then, another to also discover bike. Bike, they follow people, they follow trailer, they drag road. I don't know. It is well. I don't talk am as it dey be o. Me, I don't talk am as it dey be. All the time as small negative and positive experience when I don't gather for Ekpoma. And this matter, everybody need to wake up, look into them. Our boys no want learn handwork again. They are looking for quick money, using Yahoo and all kind of things to hack people account. I saw it today. Make we look into this matter now before it's too late. That one are for the special report. Now, driving from Ekpoman to Edo, the Ihoazit when people they complain before now where Ambroba don't take over the road. This is the good news. The good news is this: the road is free. The road is free. And what even shocked me? What even shocked me for this matter? What really shocked me? The hot spot where all these kidnappers they dey, police not dey there. Who did there? Edo State Security Network. Who did there? Edo State Security Network. Now them did there from Igeduma down to the hot spot. Nothing like police for there, nothing like army for there. Only the Edo State Security Network. Now they feed that place. Now God go bless Edo State Security Network. Now God go bless them. And God will bless them. The road is free. Those hotspots, I couldn't even ask myself, this hotspot, how come soldier and police not there for these hotspots? Now let Edo State Security Network, now them did that place. Now let them did that place. When I don't say me, I talk am as they be, and I don't owe anybody apology. Who want Vespa, may go buy Vespa. If a Vespa never would exist again, me I dey talk am as it dey be. Because of wetin I see today, I am really impressed. I am really impressed. Really impressed. Really impressed. So, all these one are the situation report. And another thing I also discover, how many years you go take federal government to do Benin bypass? I mean the dualization. How many years you go take federal government to take dualize that road? How many years? How many years to take dualize that road? Arusi Johnny, whether the Arusi the Johnny play for how many years it will take federal government to take dualize that road? To dualize that road will become years, century. The problem now, our so-called representative, the so-called senators, the House of Rep members, the ministers, they are our problem. Those people from the south, now they be our problem. The same road where they construct now, they do for north, they don't do everywhere finish. Why we say our own where they go start, they don't go finish them? Why? Why? Port Harcourt Road, they never still finish them. So if you can't put light for this thing, you go say now small thing, that federal government take get blame for this matter. The real blame now our people now get the blame. You know why? Because of greed, thief, and wickedness. We too dey wicked to ourselves. And the question is how many years you go take them to dualize that road? Come on. Know that there is no money. They are eating the money, thieves. They don't share the money. They don't share them. Thieves. Where I ask ourselves, where are our senators? Where Senator Matthew Rogide, Clifford Odia, then the House of Rep member, Ogbede, and all of you now. All of you put together, you people are not representing us well. You people are not representing us well. How many years will take una to take dualize that road? Una go Abuja and go take flight. But the main road that is causing havoc, you guys are nowhere to be found. How many years will you take you guys to dualize that road? Una no go pass urgent bill to say now, federal government, dualize this road now. No, it don't concern una because una family only follow the road. Wicked set of people. Now God will be judge all of una. Now God will be judge all of una. You know what I mean? I dey talk am as it be. I dey talk am as it be. Who want verse, may go buy Vespa. Vespa no even dey market now. This one na we dey do ourselves o. Na we dey do ourselves. Where on earth you say a road till now, they never dualization, they waka like millipede. Millipede even dey fast, snail. Even as I dey come just now, no work. RCC don comot for road, they don remove their equipment. They don't remove their equipment. So which means this year will finish now, no work on that road. This year go finish now, no work on that road. No work. Now, as we dey blame federal government, we dey blame our representative. Our representative, whether as a senator or rep member, they are our problem. When I know say when that road they give us problem, if not be Governor Obaseki, we for not fit follow that road again. We for not fit follow that road again. If not be Governor Obaseki, we for not fit follow that road again. Now the portion where Obaseki do, now they do reach. Then they do reach. I don't know why our people derive joy in seeing the masses suffer. Well, the masses now get the problem. You know why? We dey fight ourselves because of a budget. Not until the masses wake up to say enough, nothing will happen. If you just go Ekpoma now, as rain don't fall now, one erosion don't take part of the road. Erosion don't take part of the road in Rekme area. Why are we so mean? Why are we so wicked to ourselves? We had the former minister, whether Michael, whether that man at Crystal game. I don't know what is wrong with our people, our wicked people. When the say no go better for them. The only thing I will do for our people, I will share the money. As soon as they share the money, as soon as be, as soon as it be. When you want J or Y. We are not going to eat when I chop the whole world because one day when I go to die, they will put them on 6 feet. In fact, there's something like 7 feet, now 6 feet. So the same measurement with the poor people, the same measurement. Funny enough, the day when I go die, now the same mortuary they go put to now with other people. When I not go say, no, don't take me to UBHS mortuary, take me to Dubai mortuary, na lie, they'll put them on me. Even the mortuary where you want back end, they'll go put to now. Because in mortuary, there is nothing like selective move. You know, it's okay, here for big men, here for people. Now, lie, all of them will do one corner. So, make our people they represent or more they think. Make una they think. It bless you una head, una carry and go back, una how they think again. This evening, I think we go talk calm as it be. We go they talk calm as it be. Now, another thing I also discover. Over time, police commissioner, all of them are from North. Now they be commissioner for Edo State and for other South. I never see where police from South will become commissioner for North. Then if you don't demand and show us, it not day. All the commissioner from the North, then they be commissioner for South. Why? They could have shown me one person from the South will be commissioner for North. They could have shown me one police commissioner will be commissioner for North. You know they. So when you just make this country, make everybody just go your own way. Everybody just go do your lane because the way it be now, we not be one at all. No, we are not one. Who you talking about they be? We are not one. So all these are the two things we need to begin to advocate for. Everybody go to your lane. Everybody go to your lane. Maybe they talk about they be. Even for North, you can never see person from the South, Southwest, say that be the chief medical director. It's not possible. It's not there. But why is everybody from commissioner of police are from North? Everybody goes to 5 from North. You mean our people don't qualify? Even our people can never be commissioner in the North. Our people can never, and our stupid representative in the Senate, all of them they go and they break mellow, they chop cola nuts. They chop goro, they chop cola nuts. Now the chop kola nut. The Bible don't talk am. It is appointed unto a man wants to die. Una death goes to knock on a door, and they una no go escape am because una dey wicked leaders with wicked followers. This evening, we go talk am as it be. Enough is enough. Why be say anything when they start from southwest, they only finish am. When they start am from north, they go finish am. They go finish am. Here wherefore, here where but our own because of greed, longer throat. Because of greed. The money now no carry am go anywhere. We go there in. Now here for me the money, now you will still live on. Since our leaders don't get, why man? The only settle again to the chief, they maneuver the people, lie people. As of today, there is nothing the government of the day will tell us that will be truthful. It's all lie. And the only man will don't tell us truth now, I do Obaseki. The only man will don't tell us truth now, I do Obaseki. Every other government official, all liars. From Bubu down, all liar. Even the so-called Pastor Sibajo brother, Sibajo, who be the house boy for Sodok, liar. Because they go see truth, no talk. Why are they fear to talk? The Bible says, do not be afraid of those that can kill the body, but rather fear whom can destroy both soul and body in hell. The only man, me, Apostle Alfred, they fear today. Now God, I don't fear anybody. I fear no soul, but I respect soul. Yes. I fear no soul, but I respect soul. I fear no soul. You know why? Because the key of life, it did God's hand and it not given to anybody. So, time don't come back when they tell ourselves the truth. And we go continue to tell ourselves the truth. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. That's why as of today now, the lemma where they talk through now, that be Obaseki. If they tell us that it be, why some miscreants, some APC miscreants, where they say their head, they don't even go do sacrifice. They don't think well again. Even that girl, the minister of finance, that girl, where they say she never go school finish. You nothing. So you don't know anything about finance. So this is we'll talk about CDB. They are tiring us here. Then some of our people they carry fake news about those states. Make una stop them. Make una stop them. Una stop them. Somebody, one of my friends come. As he land, now he come. He say, "Hey, pa." He don't come in almost 1 week now. I dare Puma. That doesn't mean no worry. I go deep Benin. Once I come, we go see. As we come, I now come drive, we see this man shout, Apostle, now they see me. He say, waiting at the year for abroad, not be at the year for Benin. Make at the year, all those are wicked people, they lie up and down. All those are wicked people, they lie up and down. He say, if we do, they come. If we they come, security, now I say, yes, so. I say, what's they try? I say, but some people now, they don't believe in lie. They'll go carry video of 5 years ago, saying a Fulani key. 10 years ago, the judge spoiled the government of the day. And the guy called from abroad, he was so happy. He said, He said, no. He said, no, they believe what people, they talk again. About Edo State. He said, where they come? I was happy. I said, I'm glad you are the one saying it. He said, I said, we'll go tell that people, say, come. Not there are people that think about Benin. As of today, Edo State is peaceful. As of today, make we talk about a bill. Now, don't tell me I don't owe anybody apology. So, all those people, they like to spread evil news about the state. Una cup go soon full. Una cup go soon full. By the time you full finish, una go drink calamity. Una go drink calamity. So, there is nowhere there is no evil. But make una they carry old news till they spoil with the present day. No, it's evil. That's why some of us, they come and say, come. Anything that they do will counter una with truth and proof. Will counter una with truth and proof. So, the good news is this. From Ekpoma to Edona, the road is free from kidnapping and the rest. is free from kidnapping and the rest. You know why? Because Edo State Security Network, they are there doing their job. Doing their job. So, make with the talk as they be. You know, some people say, Apostle, this way. My brother, no one agree. And all those are people who shall be talk lie. Make una continue. Make una continue. As of today, those state is peaceful. It's peaceful. And the governor is not sleeping. That's the truth of the matter. The governor is not sleeping. He's not sleeping. Some interiors who they say Boko Haram, Edo State Security Network, they're there. They're everywhere. I dey shock. I say, these guys, they are awesome. Oh, thank God, I don't remember now. ESMA, this road traffic management, Edo State ESMA, they're there, Puma. I just now they do the day. As by 7 o'clock, they don't do junction. They control traffic. For the major place for Ekpoma, they just did there. Iraqme area and maybe Abrusalit Square, Abrusalit Square, that area. ESMA, they control traffic. I say, wow. So which means, no be a Benin speaking area, these people, they work. They are working. See, if you see people, they do good, better things, appreciate them. Appreciate them. But the people say people know they talk the good thing. That's also bad news. Yeah, bad news at Chebonowa. Yeah, bad news at Chebonowa. So that's what I mean. You know, say how they talk about should be. This S-man, they control traffic. And 7 a.m. they don't do there because I did now. So I quick get up in the morning. I say, wow. God bless Obaseki. God bless Obaseki. God bless Obaseki. The truth is, say this man a plan generation. I know some people say, make we pay this. Come on, know the cost. So. Hello, good evening. Yeah, how you doing? I beg, I did broadcast now. I did program. So, sorry for that. Just saying a person want to contribute. So, if a person they do good, make we talk am. Make we talk am. And they try to educate our people. Come. We don't never know the government we want to campaign for. We don't never know her. We never know who I campaign for. Make una sit down and say, God, this man when I campaign for, who he really be? He will shock. And God will open my eye to see him. Some of us don't vow, say, anywhere for the work, we get opportunity to reach there, we will give them a broadcast. And I mean it. I mean it. When people say Obaseki is not doing anything, they laugh. Say, what are you talking about? Una fair no say this man they make noise. Una fair no say this man they carry EBS, ITV 247. Una face no. Una face no. It do work quietly. So you say, they work, they delay. No, they are scope of job. You follow it with planning. Do you know, over time, we have not been planning this country. We know they plan. We all wake up for no plan. Once you just wake up, anywhere belay face, that have been the situation of this country. But Obaseki has described a man that is teaching us planning. When I there when I say Obaseki don't roll out 30 years plan for Edo State. 30 years plan for Edo State. 30 years plan for Edo State. 30 years. Now, the question they ask, how this man want to do this thing? How? But when they think. I mean, I come out of the Edo State Security Network. See, if not for Edo State Security Network, my people, we for not face any state again. We for not face any state. Make we talk about be who want verse me verse. Me and you for not this stage. Everywhere calm. Why? In fact, oh God. But I know some people also go wear their shirts to take impersonate them. Anybody we want go so security network uniform to impersonate them in order to give them bad name. Now madness go be your portion. Now madness go be your portion. Now madness. Anybody, boy or girl, you want go show a those state security uniform. Hey, pardon, sir. Yes, you are broadcasting now. When you appreciate why this Benin road. Yes, I saw your men out there. AK police manager, your boys were there. Yes, I did broadcast now, Beck. I want to make you talk to Edo people now. Introduce yourself. Talk to us. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. This is we appreciate you now for accepting us, allowing us to do this work with you.
Introduce yourself, sir. I don't know your name.
My name is Samuel Shayende.
Okay.
The state admin Edo State Security Network. Like I spoke on before, I thank our government. One, I say accept us, allow to do this work. We want to continue to beg on our cooperation with us. If only we say we will feed one align with us, with other security agencies. This work, when we do into so, that for peace and development to come. Any town, any city, any state where peace one day, when criminal hoodlums, kidnapper, they kidnap people, no investors will come. Even you want to declare the ball for that home, your house will come to fear you. So I think since when we start now, many people when they come back here.
Yes, sir.
And those when that fear today, so they remove that fear. If you can say, oh, God, don't come out today.
Yes, sir.
Find a number. Oh, now, tell us how to come. They will do with you. Nothing will happen. So, and I beg, like we said, make this project, make we take out like our own. This one not be the one we say now for government. It's not for government. Upper the government. This one well. And the next government will not know it right. So, this one are process. And God said, we don't want to invite you on Monday.
Okay.
We get some of our presidents from Denmark for that time. They live in and they come.
Okay.
But they come where we sit down for radio where Pastor give us. So we did the work, they do the work. The only waka come with us. The show we see are waiting in the year now, so 3 years after that time. The good work na 2020. You say on Monday by 11 o'clock, if they come to seminar for us.
Wow.
Because now into this kind of work, 9 days of the day is doing like that. If they will think that you company. So even me, I think I'll call you today or tomorrow morning. See on Monday, you know our usual commanders meeting.
Yes.
They could still happen. So all the commanders across the state, those that do not and they don't try, including those all of us will meet for them. This man they come teach us how the city is doing for Ebola.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Not this kind of thing, that the way we want. Not really, who not them money, come to teach us. The method when the city is doing for your place, when the city is work, we will still learn.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
we appreciate you, man.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will thank you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Well said.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, my people, una don't hear from Ogamat. Una don't hear. And another gang one, Obo, they try to call in now. Those State Security Network also, number one, Obo, they try to call in now. I will put them for line again. Make it, give all the situation report concerning Edo State Security Network. Now don't say me, by the grace of God. I just talk about it, baby. Who have see you are your own. Oh. Hello. Good evening. Are they broadcast? You want to talk to us? Make you introduce. It's yes, sir.
Really want to point Governor after Obaseki in an original do a do very.
Yes, sir.
I hope very in an original. Good away, a mother bear, if you come here, in a way, by our way. I don't know give Papa. When you are the Marie, Jerry, who made the will at Nana, who train of Grandpa Dollar to you, anyway, so, Malawi, my young Kinore, America, Kinore, Boyake, in my way, very familiar to. But only within the Marion with the bed, even you to a couple so one year. Imagine the Asa will see a good as a look one of Gazi. Your far, no Jima, or Cassity shall see, who got Tony Mau, who got to, who will be the bull, one of who no one in our data, and you may have because everywhere of the major, many with it, let's see, because one of the real money, we to Maradua, Jerry, you know, unless you notice a good bit here, who really you bona, unless you be family of the one area, a mother, who really do you bona, Papa, who saw about young boy, you are a cousin, who saw about Gilly, and who saw about me, okay, ready. All of the youth and the year to the lad who are here, the lad who are my, the Wato, I focus in Pura. Ya ini chiwe, na wale room, ya ini, because
yeah. Let me, my brother Wesley, thank you for the call. Thank you for the encouragement to Wesley. Yeah, I appreciate you, Wesley, sir. What got them what am I be? What gimate what am I be? Agbona do I fe? Agbona vesi ayi. Gate what am I be? You know que na o gawe. Wesley. Yeah, good evening, sir. Yeah, this is Apostle Alfred. Talk about CDB. Amen, sir. When I talked to you just now, Mr. Sain, they do online before. I did on broadcast now, sir. So I beg, I want to make you talk to Edo people about the security activity because what I observed today, now God will bless your team. From Eho area where you say police don't fit day, your men were there. God bless you guys. So please talk to Edo people right now. They're on live broadcast. Talk to Edo people, introduce yourself. Let the people know how far and don't go about the security network for Edo State. God bless you, sir. Please talk to us and introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Obu Emmanuel Otohide.
Yes, sir.
Presently, by the special grace of God,
I'm the state coordinator of Edo State Community Security Network. My office is at Government House, SA Security Office to the Governor, Special Advisor to the Governor on Security Matters. That is my capacity for now.
Okay, sir.
May God be with everybody. May God be with Edo people. The truth be say, we know say some time ago, Edo State, now place will be say, we fit just enter like that. Even when you there, Edo State, things was not really easy. They run person they go market, and person they call market, they go rob am. Person they get shop. If you open shop by 10 o'clock, you go close shop by 2 o'clock. Everybody know that one. But at present now, you go see say everywhere for Edo State, we make sure so we spread this our boys, our men. Make them dey everywhere. The crime now we face. We're not there after two fighting. Now crime now we face in totality. When I created what happened 3 days ago, may know say Edo is in the right track to success. 3 days ago, our boys arrested two women wey get 18 children. They thief and carry go forest. They teach them from Imo State and Lagos State. We don't arrest them. That matter is a national and international news. We go hear them very soon. The same day, we also arrested a group of armed robbers. They came from Lagos. They come meet their friends for years. Say they specialize in breaking and entry. Now their friend were there for years. Come they tell and say, no, moku no rob here, moku waste more. Don't take not be as it be before again. Oh, they go catch us. They know here. They go see rob that night. Our focus is truly catch them. Now when we catch them, they go they confess to us. Say, see what happen. So it doesn't know the place you go don't walk enter now. Say you go rob. Say they go catch you. Yesterday, our boys still catch all these people. They thief from their POS. POS, they not thief am against them. Oh, they don't stop. But because me they just see test run and whether they go work or they and they try them, we catch them. All of this video, if you need that, I go send to you. All this interview and the intelligence report of what we do for the past 3 days, I go show you reflect say that even when they want test run, say they want to start a rob again, it shows say no go work because now really networking they do security networking. When we say everybody for the community they involved, everybody for the house they involved, everybody they police themselves. You the police your husband, nobody they police you. Who will come to the commodity for that soup? Nobody. That's so the matter be so.
Like which area I really need the assistance of Edo worldwide? Maybe now let us know. Talk and go ahead.
First of all, we need their prayer. Prayer comes first before any other thing. That's number one. Then number two, do you know say this is my personal vehicle when I buy take come and share go school. Now I take do this work. So that means say we not get mobility.
Okay.
That's number two. Then number three, we say when they work all this equipment, whether na Buto, whether na face capo, torso, we still need them because some night we know they sleep for night, so 4 days we they work for night throughout. Then guys they communicate like this one now they use now guy they use we configure our phone to use app till they talk for phone.
Yes.
So they communicate. We need them. But now we don't have to hook up one channel now where they use our walkie-talkie. If you don't give us walkie-talkie to communicate, we need them. To effective communication within all the communities, we need them. Then other than get we're talking about arms, well, you know when it comes to arms, now say they handle that matter.
Yeah.
I know we talk too much about that for now. Because actually the best way to handle this arm will be addressed some other time because actually I'm still working on it. But anything we bring up will be highly appreciated by us. Honestly, I know people will be happy. One day I still make a spend some time I go to some busy area for night for Edo State. As of 10 o'clock, some people still they do their business. They were still buying and selling. Do you know what happened to me? I was sharing tears. I was happy because I know before for this Benin, you can't stay till this kind of silver lock to show me house.
Yeah.
You go to that house. But now people see they move up and down. That means the formula when we employ say make all this community come out with their boys, make the guide where they stay is really working. That is what we call community policing. And that is how it should be. Let the community be directly involved, not the politicians, not the high class people. If we do like that, we will fail. But this is the best way to go. And it's really working for us. Thank you very much, my brother.
Yes. Finally, the last question. I know say una no dey under payroll. Una boys no dey payroll. How una country dey take care of them?
Apostle Alfred.
Yes, sir.
This question we will ask you na very powerful question. They don't promise us from over 3 or 4 months ago say they go do and they go do and they are working on it. They don't really work on it. We know say that na devil work They want make my boys dey discouraged. I don't encourage them. I give them the determination. See, me they not get tired though, because this one are your own. If you not protect yourself, who will come protect you? There's no numeration. That means there's no salary at all. Nothing. We just they use our minds till they do it for now. Hope you say one day government will do the right thing. If people say come and start, okay, he wants to give us more money, we won't take go. We will take. I even tell my boys say for street. If person that you will not take. Because some time ago, when you they told us say our people they collect money for road, that lie. Now the same people where you use your hand, their mind take volunteer dash you money for street. Now they'll go to podcast and say our boys collect money for there. So therefore, we not pull us say if they dash you money, no collect. And if you want to give us something, may come to the office, may come to my office. I know how to take distributor.
Thank you very much. I want to make you quickly appreciate those two persons who don't support through Tokamasibi to the Edo State Security Network. Appreciate them. Name we said.
In fact, I don't get what one of you say to appreciate them, they thank them. Now to tell them, they thank you. The big thank you I won't give them, so now the kind of thank you will come from the hand of God. God will bless them to their send, they no go feel talk against us. Say, God bless your blessing not too much, your blessing not too much, God will protect their family anyway, their family day. God will continue to provide for them. And God will continue to provide for me, provide for people too. May God bless everybody. Those who don't contribute to, those who don't contribute to, no one give help. God will bless everybody. Edo must be great again.
Amen. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. My people, body weight slim, na bone, 9%. Na bone, 9%. So this one are the area we say we really need to really encourage ourselves. I know say a lot of people they wonder, Apostle Alfred, how did they get that number? No, I'm inside. I have to also say how we can protect them, how we can also showcase their work. In making a those take great, now everybody work. So when I see some people, they come and they ask, what you know they think? You know they think? Those people guys think? Hey, my brother Buta, how are you, sir? Hello. Domo sir, how are mama and the children? Yes, I did for broadcast now, and the activities of POWOF, I appreciate it. Edo State appreciate you now. Edo State appreciate you now. And I want to make you talk to Edo people right now. I want to make you talk to Edo people because when I work, it's exceptional. I really appreciate you now. I better talk to Edo people. I do a live broadcast now. Introduce yourself.
Maybe normal, for 2 weeks.
Okay.
It doesn't matter, anything when you see people will do. I never see anything yet. Because we go training upon training. Maybe this woman won't be so. Now, man, when they behave like we do, the man, when we want there, go sit. They say, the state for the whole country. And everything when you do for educational sector, when you do for every sector, you will also do for this school. With the good training, it's not that it's a local training each time. We know we will not be perfect humanity because there's no perfect humanity.
Yes.
There's no perfect society. Even in America, when they see the baby, that's why you see the kid that black man that day. Even when the man see them will do preach.
Yes.
To this person here. So for us, let them see the good is where we will do. Let them use our paper box play. Let them see the bad one. When we do well, don't be right. Let them use our bad church. Because one person will report the king. Everybody report the king. So any area where they see the city with the bill lack of, let them know the city to call up. Let them know the city not to call up. Anytime they will call us. If they don't pay each other, finish your apostle after you know, sir. You hear me and my number one for carrying you super cycle. We're ready to pick call anytime anything to make sure say we do the right thing so that the people of the two state will be happy and the government will be happy and the people, the supporters of the world, they will be happy with us with the development and for the good work of the overall sector. What is the so my brother. Thank you very much.
My brother, God bless you. Well said. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So, my people, I go continue to dey play my part. Na edu ama no selu ama emeye. Iyogion ba iwugiewo. I'm just a man who love progress, and I will continue to play my part. So all this way that happen this year, I not plan am. I didn't plan. I didn't plan it. I no planner. So the thing just dey work as God will say make it be. So my people, talk am as it dey be. Now God will bless the poor off and the rest. If you go through Third Junction, they different and they work. So it dey pay me say some our people know they see the good things wey dey happen for the state. The DJ project is not about coming and being commissioning road. No, it goes beyond that. It goes beyond that. Now, you can do road and the people are not well trained. You are wasting your time. You can build school and the teachers are not well trained. You are wasting your time. And these are the invisible work. When they go underground, we say a lot of persons don't know. That's the truth. Yes, we need road, but the truth is you must build the people. Once you build the people, you are sure of making a great progress. So that's what I dey talk about it dey be. Now, all the activities of people off, do you know how much they pay? You know, oh God. Oh no go no. So, by the grace of God, talk about it be channel. Now, one of the channels we say God don't bring by himself. Today, enlightening a dose worldwide. Today, give us the right information. Information we say it just they come direct. Don't be say they don't go they watch. No, we they talk about it be. Now, when I don't hear from the number 2 man, number 3 man from the Edo State Security Network, when I don't see hear from a Stone. So all these are the things we supposed to they ask question. And any question we want ask me. Call Apostle Alfred. I will tell you. The one way I know now is okay, give me time. Let me do my investigation. I do my investigation, I come out my reports. So, by the grace of God, and making Edo great now, everybody walk. So, everybody must wake up to make Edo great. And make we begin to speak against anybody that has vowed to bring this thing down. And all those miscreants, those people, when we say they are honor to they talk about negative things about the state, Mona stop her. Mona stop her. And those are brothers when they bring disgrace, give us Mona stop her. While you born about at those states, we are making progress. That's why we dey talk this thing. I say make we talk calm as it be. So my people, wanna do well. I will end this broadcast here now so that the project site, the POP work and the finishing for one of our project sites, they start painting now. They start painting, so they put finishing touch. So I will come back to give a live update for that one. Don't be Photoshop. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for sharing the broadcast. Thank you for inviting your friends. A single tree cannot make a forest. I bring greeting from Ekpoma, Victor India Ekpoma now. I got to run company to come attend to other job and to see under our project. Make we see how they go well. When I do well, God bless all of you now. I love you guys. Thank you. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Please keep praying for me. And the matter between me and Adeyan, where the work we will do for those state people, they carry me go court, and the matter they come up May 12, and I just pray, and all things being equal, God will grant us victory over darkness, and we fight darkness, and we will continue to fight darkness. Please pray for us, support us in any way. All I need from you just prayer. When I just pray for me, keep praying for me, so that may that case when I reach for those states make it come up from my neck. Because I know I'm burden and yoke. You know, they allow me to do what I want to do. But I know say the fight when I fight for Edo people will never be in vain. I'm aware of that. The fight I fight for Edo people will never be in vain. I'm aware of that. And I know say this case, you know, go kill me. This case not going to see my end. I don't see the end of the case. I've seen the end of the case. So the case they come up in May 12. The case between me and Adenya, you know, I carry court matter because of Edo people. Not because of Baseke, because of Edo people fighting for the Edo, fighting for the freedom of Edo. I will continue to fight without fear of favor. Without fear of favor. So please continue to pray for me. All I need from you guys is your prayer. And all those my people don't call me, pray for me, support me. I appreciate you now. Una do well. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. So, in the next few minutes, I will come back online to show the finishing work of one of our building projects over they do the POP and the painting. They don't start painting, so we'll give an update. No, just stay tuned any minute from now. Please save your data. Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.